How to follow someone on TikTok? Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Then you have to open it in your desktop and you can see the app will appear in front of you. You have to scroll the different videos and we are going to know that how to follow accounts on TikTok. Just you have to click on this profile which is being appeared on the top. Before following the profile, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on this profile and you can see here there is an option of follow. You have to click on it. In this way you can follow account on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.